Your signing bonus isn't a bonus. It's a payment plan your bank doesn't know about, and by the time the last tranche arrives, inflation already stole $500,000 of it. Every year, athletes sign massive deals and go broke anyway. And nobody explains why, because the answer makes agents and clubs look terrible. Here's what actually happens. You sign a deal. The contract says $5 million signing bonus. You tell your family. You buy the car. You upgrade the apartment. But buried in page 47 of that contract is a clause nobody reads out loud. The bonus is paid in tranches 12, 18, sometimes 36 months apart. Jonathan David's situation with Arsenal is the clearest recent example. His reported bonus structure isn't a single drop, it's a drip. Month by month, tranche by tranche. And that gap between the promise and the payment, that's where the financial damage actually lives. That's the trap. Inflation in 2024 is running between 3 and 4% annually. Over 18 months, that quietly erases 8 to 12% of your purchasing power before a single tranche clears. On a $5 million bonus paid over 2 years, that's $400,000 to $600,000 of real value gone. Not stolen by anyone visible, just dissolved by time. But that's not even the strangest part. When delayed tranches finally arrive, the tax calculation resets. The IRS and HMRC don't care that you mentally spent that money 18 months ago. You might be in a higher bracket that year because other income stacked up. So the tranche you were counting on nets 20% less than you planned for, in real terms. Meanwhile, and this is the brutal part, you already committed to the lifestyle, the rent, the family support, the trainer, the nutritionist, the agent fees, all priced against the full lump sum that never actually arrived. This is called lifestyle lock-in, and it's the exact mechanism that turns six-figure earners into people who genuinely cannot pay their bills despite earning more in 1 year than most people see in a lifetime. Agents know this. Clubs prefer it. Deferred payment structures reduce the club's immediate cash flow burden. It's a financing tool for them. The player is the one absorbing the risk, and the player rarely has the financial education to spot it in the contract, let alone model out what the delayed payments actually mean after inflation and tax. This isn't unique to football. Deferred signing bonuses appear in NFL contracts, NBA extensions, corporate executive packages, and even some professional services deals. This system is everywhere. The fix is simple in theory. Before you sign, model the actual cash flow, not the headline number. What hits the bank, when, and what's left after tax in that specific year. Then build your lifestyle around the lowest tranche, not the total. Treat every future payment like it hasn't happened yet, because legally, it hasn't. The number on the headline is what they want you to see. The schedule buried in the contract is what will actually determine whether you stay solvent. A signing bonus is not a windfall. It is a structured liability in disguise, and if you don't read the schedule, you are the one financing the club's cash flow problem. If this opened your eyes, follow this channel. We break down exactly how money actually works versus how they tell you it works. Like the video, so more people see this. And tell me in the comments, did you know signing bonuses were structured this way? Or did you always assume it was a day one lump sum?